Did you see the email about the team meeting at 3 p.m.?
Yep, got it. Any specific items on the agenda?
Just the usual updates and the new project. Oh, and don't forget the boss's announcement.
Cool, I'll be there. By the way, did you find your stapler?
Not yet. I'll check the supply room again after the meeting.
Well, I'm sure it'll turn up.
See you later.
See you at 3.
Excuse me, do you mind if I sit here?
No, not at all. Plenty of space. Where are you headed?
Just a few stops down. How about you?
I'm going to the city. Visiting a friend.
Nice. Anything exciting planned?
Not really, just catching up. What about you?
Just some errands. It's a nice day for a train ride, though.
It sure is. I heard it might rain later, though.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. Loving the music.
Right? They always play the best songs. By the way, have you tried the snacks? Totally recommend the nachos.
Oh, not yet. They look delicious, though.
So, do you come to these parties often?
Not really, first time actually. But it's fun.
Well, glad you're here. By the way, my name is Paul.
Nice to meet you, Paul. I'm Sarah.
So, who else do you know here?
Look at the giraffes. They're so tall.
Wow, I've never seen them up close.
And check out the monkeys. They're so playful.
They sure are. What's your favorite animal here?
I love the penguins because of the way they walk.
Me too. Penguins are adorable. Let's catch the next feeding session.
Sounds good. Maybe the lions too?
Definitely. I heard they're quite active today.
Oh, nice. Last time I was here, they were all sleeping.
Have you decided what to order?
Not yet, everything looks so good. What do you recommend?
The pasta here is fantastic. I always go for it.
Sounds good. I'll try that then.
Great choice. And for dessert, the chocolate cake is a must.
I can never say no to chocolate. Let's go for it.
Okay, sounds good. Now, where's the waiter?
Oh, there he is. Let's order now, I'm hungry.